Hey everyone, tired of Facebook always cropping your profile picture? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to upload your full profile picture on Facebook without any cropping using just your phone. Let's jump right in. First, open the Chrome browser on your mobile device. In the search bar, type facebook.com and hit search. Once the site loads, log into your account by entering your email or mobile number along with your password, then tap on the login button. After you're logged in, look at the top right corner and tap on the three dots to open the menu. From there, scroll down and tap on the option that says Desktop Site. This will reload the page in desktop mode. Now go to your profile and tap on your profile picture. When the options pop up, select Choose Profile Picture. You'll see a few options to choose from. Upload the photo you want to use and then tap Save. Give it a few seconds to update. Once it's done, tap on your profile picture again, then tap on See Profile Picture. And there it is, your full photo, perfectly displayed without being cropped. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any future tech tips and tricks.